Hello, this is Caleb Belletta, and this is my presentation for quiz 3. For this quiz, we are asked to write a function of to draw this kind of square looking like diamond with 4 different type of colors. We use 6 different factors to define this function with turtle, size, and 4 different kind of colors. So we go to, so first we import the turtle using this function right here. We import the turtle and we get the screen and we set it to light green. The pen size is 5. So first we define the first simple version of the square or diamond, whatever, to 6 types of factors, to the turtle, size, and 4 types of colors. As you can see, turtle T draws a diamond of color CLR and length of SC. So this is my code right here. First, we set the paint color, the first paint color, to red. Then it goes left 45 degrees. Then forward size with 150. Then we change the color to green. Then it goes up 90 degrees. Then test forward size. Then change the color to third color. Then goes left 90 degree. Then the next one goes forward size with using the direction left 90. Then change the color to color 4. Then change it to change the direction to left 90. Then forward size and finishes with a left 45. Let's run the first function here. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so now we have drawn the simpler version. We draw a chain of line of diamonds using, first we define the function. Then we set this function as a helper function. As you can see, turtle T draws a number of diamonds with space SPC between the diamonds. Uses this function as a helper function, and we set as SPC is a space between the diamonds, and this is a number of diamonds right here. So for I in range N, we set the first function here, then goes pen up, then goes forward, pen down, and draws the same function again. Pen up, pen down, pen up, pen down, till 6. Depends on the number of diamonds and the space between them. So we run that. We ran the first function. As you can see, the less the space, it will interact with each other as the space is lower. As we set the space higher, there will be more space between them, and as you can see, you'll have more space between them. Okay, so for the third extra credit one, we define the function again as the same one as the second one. We set it to the turtle, the size of the turtle, and the 4 colors, space, and N. And we define the function first, as you can see. Then turtle T draws a chain of diamonds in a shape of a square, uses this one as a helper function again. So we just set the loop and change the angle, and goes up, side, down, and change the, that's how it goes. Because I didn't have that much time to work on this, it have a little bit error. Test pen up, goes pen up first as it draws the first chain, then goes pen up, left 45, then forward, then test right 45, then goes forward side, as you can see, then goes test pen down and finishes the loop. So we ran the last function. As you can see, goes pen up here and goes up 90 degrees. It goes to the side. It goes down. Okay, hope I get some credit for this, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, Professor.